Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the 12-250 HD monocular with smartphone holder and adjustable metal tripod, BAK4 prism and FMC. Used for bird watching, camping, travel hunting, concerts, ball games, etc. What is a monocular? It is a modified refracting telescope used to magnify the image of distant objects by passing light through a series of lenses and usually also prisms, like here. The most modern monoculars use prism instead of relay lenses to ensure an erect image, resulting in a lightweight, compact telescope like here. The typical volume and weight of a monocular are less than half of a pair of binoculars, having similar optical properties, making a monocular easy to carry. That's right. And also proportionally less expensive. This is due to the fact that the binoculars are essential two sets of monoculars packed together, one for each eye. And monoculars only produce one two-dimensional images, while binoculars produce two parallaxed images. This is a binocular vision, to allow stereoscopic and depth perception. But here is a monocular, because we want to use this monocular with our smartphone. This is really awesome, because so you can super zoom in some objects. 12 to 50 monocular lenses, 12 times magnification, 50mm lens for a clearer and brighter view. This is ideal for hiking, hunting, climbing, bird watching, ball sport, concert, travel, and also for photography. And we have a high contrast, a high resolution image. The monocular is equipped with BAK4 prism and an FMC broadband multi-layer green film to reduce chromatic aberration and ensure good light transmission and brightness. Even if we wear glasses, we can see it clearly. And it's a monopod and a phone holder. The all accessories are upgraded versions, equipped with a smartphone holder. This used by almost all smartphones on the market, and a height-adjustable tripod. 3 different heights are available for quick alignment. The only thing you have to do, as you can see, you have to attach your phone to these monocular lenses. It's not so tricky, really. You can adjust it really easy. It only costs you, I think, 10 seconds up to 30. Then you can see the picture on your screen, and of course you can record it. That's cool. And it's robust and durable. The monocular telescope has a sealed design with an anti-fog coating and a built-in lens dust cover that can protect the lens against dust, moisture and dirt. The surface is made of wear-resistant non-slip leather, which provides additional friction, and it's waterproof, dustproof and non-slip. And we have a wide range of applications. This binoculars is a monocular for adults are very lightweight, and the ergonomic monocular design can help us focus the target quickly and accurately with one hand. It is easy to carry, and it's an ideal gift for everyone out there. Now let's have a look what we can see. We can see that every object is 12 times nearer than in a standard way. 12 times. That's awesome. So you can see the license plate out of range of a long range, I think. 80 meters, 100 meters, no prob, by using this monocular. And you can see the moon on the sky and other objects. And of course, birds are so close with that monocular. And you can save it on your smartphone because in the box is a smartphone holder system. And the tripod, let it rest on the floor or on other objects, steady and good. And the BAK4 prism gives us a better view, and the FMC is for a better dusk looking through the object of the monocular thing. That's really cool, and it's easy, and it's fast, and it looks great. This is the 12 to 50 HD monocular with smartphone holder and adjustable metal tripod, BAK4 prism and FMC. It's used for bird watching, camping, travel, hunting, concert, ball games, etc. And it's from or by Seville Letor. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.